Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to write a good essay. Today's our topic is essay writing, and this video is for class 4th, 5th and 6th. So first of all, see their definition. What is essay? An essay is a composition on a definite topic. It presents a writer's thoughts, opinions or feelings on a particular topics, issues or themes. So I hope you understand this definition of essay. And now, what does a good essay need? What does a good essay need? How to write a good essay? So see their topics. An academic essay aims to persuade readers of an ideas based on evidence. An essay should answer a question or task statements. It should have this and arguments. It should try to present or discuss something. An essay should include relevant examples, supporting evidence and information from academic text or credible sources. So let's see how to write a good essay. So the essay divided into 3 sections. The mainly the introduction, the body paragraph and the conclusion. The introduction, what is introduction? The introduction must draw attention of the reader. And the body paragraph, what is body paragraph? The body must be a coherent presentation or ideas. The flows naturally from one to the others. It is composed of several paragraphs. It is composed or contain several paragraphs like that. Many paragraph like that. Any story name like that. The river, the mountain, and whatever we're going to write. And conclusion, the last portion. Conclusion, the last portion. What is the conclusion? Must reinforcely ideas mentioned in the essay and create a lasting impact on the reader. So let's see paragraph writing, essay writing. It contained introduction, the body paragraph and conclusion. Full essay, let's see. Here is an example of an essay. It is an essay on global warming. Here is the example of essay, introduction. In it contains introduction, body paragraph, conclusion. Now I write short, you write in detail the topics. I write short. For example, here is introduction. Global warming is a increase of average world temperatures or as a result of what is now as the greenhouse effects. A body paragraph. Since 1960, every passing decade has been warmer than the previous one, and the Earth's temperature is still on a rise. Now conclusion. Global warming is a global issue. It's not about a single country or an individual. You write in detail. I write a short paragraph in it. You write in detail as well as you understand what is essay writing. So thank you.